I can tell you this, most of my customers, I'd say 98% of my customers install these systems themselves, whether they're grid tied or off grid. And that's really our entire business model. We cater to the DIY solar installer. Most of these people don't have backgrounds in contracting work. They're not home builders. They haven't wired their house. These are people with normal everyday jobs, and they want to get rid of their power bill, and they want to save a lot of money doing so. So they install themselves. And our job is to guide and direct them and give them the resources that they need to have a successful installation. It's really up to you how much work you want to do on the system. Most of them are going to mount the rails, mount the panels, run the cables, hang the inverter on the wall. You can definitely have an electrician come over and make those final connections into your breaker panel. Bottom line is, we're going to guide and direct you to get that system installed properly, and if you have questions, we're going to answer them.